In the video, he talks about how old the sun is and some of the workings of it. He goes in, I have some notes here, says that the light that we see from the sun now was at the core of the sun right around the time the Homo sapiens were walking the earth in Africa. Some of the workings that he talks about says the sun is powered by nuclear fusion in its core, and hot plasma moves inside the sun, creating magnetic fields. This can create sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. Sunspots are those like little black spots that we see on the sun. It's a little bit darker than the rest of the sun. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections are pretty much the same thing, other than the fact that coronal mass ejections are a lot bigger and they happen further off of the sun's like crest or surface. Um, and Coronal mass ejections are also a lot more powerful, as they can cause power outages, some even big enough to cause worldwide power outages and also damage satellites. Um, he talks about knowing like how the sun works and how dangerous it is can help us, because we do depend on the sun for our survival. There are a lot of ways that we use the sun. A couple ways, like solar panels, stuff like that. We do need the sun. It heats the earth and keeps us alive for that very reason, but it does help us live life, and learning how it works and things that happen on the sun will help us to understand just more ways that we can use it, but also and in the future I feel like it can help us prevent such things as power outages, probably from those coronal mass ejections.